OnePlus has just launched the OnePlus 15 and OnePlus 15 are in the global market. However, early leaks surrounding the OnePlus 16 have already started appearing. Recent Weibo posts suggest that the OnePlus May 16th arrive with some major upgrades. OnePlus has gradually pushed refresh rates higher in recent years, moving to 165 Hz on models like the OnePlus 15 series. The company is now testing ultra-high refresh rates starting from 200 Hz. The possibility that the OnePlus 16 could adopt a 200 Hz plus panel. OnePlus had earlier lowered the resolution from 2K to 1.5K on the OnePlus 15 to enable smoother 165 Hz performance. It remains unclear whether the brand can maintain at least a 1.5K resolution while pushing refresh rates as high as 240 Hz. OnePlus will adopt 200 megapixel sensors for its 2026 phones, with the OnePlus 16 likely to receive a 200 megapixel primary camera, alongside two 50 megapixel cameras. The OnePlus 16 is tipped to run on the next generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset, which may launch in September next year. It may also house a large battery, following the trend set by the OnePlus 15 with its 7,300 mAh capacity. OnePlus has not confirmed any details officially. The OnePlus 16 is expected to debut in China around October 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.